Did you know that bananas share about 60% of their DNA with humans? Or that there are over 1,000 different varieties of bananas around the world, but you've probably only tasted one? Stick around because we're about to peel back the layers on this iconic fruit. Bananas, they're a staple in breakfast bowls, smoothies, and even comedy acts. But how much do you really know about this fruit that's eaten by billions of people worldwide? Today we're diving into the fascinating world of banana varieties and why they're more important than you might think. Here's the thing. Most of us are only familiar with the Cavendish banana. It's sweet, seedless, and easy to transport. But did you know that bananas are facing a crisis? Diseases like Panama disease are threatening banana crops worldwide, and because the Cavendish is genetically identical, it's especially vulnerable. Think of it like this. If one Cavendish banana is susceptible to a disease, they all are. This dominance of a single variety isn't just risky. It's also limiting the diversity of flavors and textures we could be enjoying. To add to this challenge, bananas are a lifeline for millions of people in tropical and subtropical regions. They're not just a snack, they're a crucial source of income and nutrition. So, what happens if the Cavendish becomes unviable? The stakes are higher than you might think. But bananas weren't always this uniform. For thousands of years, people have cultivated bananas to suit their tastes and needs. Let's start with the blue Java banana, also known as the ice cream banana. It's not just a pretty name. This variety has a creamy texture and a flavor reminiscent of vanilla ice cream. Imagine swapping out your dessert for one of these. Then there's the red banana. Smaller and sweeter than the Cavendish, it's packed with nutrients like vitamin C and beta-carotene. Some people even say it tastes like raspberries. And let's not forget wild bananas. They're the ancestors of all the cultivated varieties we enjoy today. These bananas are packed with hard seeds, making them less convenient to eat, but they're a fascinating glimpse into the fruit's origins. Bananas likely originated in Southeast Asia, where indigenous communities cultivated them thousands of years ago. Over time, through trade and exploration, bananas spread to Africa, the Americas, and beyond, evolving into the diverse varieties we see today. Here's a fact that might shock you. The Cavendish isn't even the original taste of bananas. Before the 1950s, most people enjoyed the Gros Michel variety, often called the Big Mike. This banana was sweeter and creamier than the Cavendish, and many who've tasted it say it was far superior. But the Gros Michel met its downfall when Panama disease wiped it out across the globe. This is why the Cavendish was chosen as a replacement. It wasn't necessarily the tastiest option, but it was resistant to the disease, at least for a while. Today, you'd be hard-pressed to find a Gros Michel unless you're in a niche market or plantation. Tasting one is like stepping back in time to experience what our ancestors enjoyed. So what makes bananas so unique? Let's talk genetics. Unlike apples or oranges, bananas are propagated through cloning. Farmers plant banana suckers, which are essentially clones of the parent plant. This means every Cavendish banana you eat is genetically identical to every other Cavendish banana worldwide. This uniformity is both a blessing and a curse. It ensures consistency in taste and appearance, but it also makes bananas extremely vulnerable to pests and diseases. A single outbreak can devastate an entire crop. Scientists and farmers are working tirelessly to develop new banana varieties that are resistant to diseases like Panama disease and black sigatoka. Some are even experimenting with crossbreeding and genetic modification to create the banana of the future. Another fascinating variety is the plantain. Unlike the sweet bananas we're used to, plantains are starchy and often cooked before eating. They're a staple in African, Caribbean, and Latin American cuisines, proving that bananas are more versatile than we might think. Markets in tropical regions are treasure troves of banana diversity. Have you ever tried a pisang raja from Indonesia or a ladyfinger banana from Australia? Each variety has its own unique taste, texture, and use in cooking. Bananas have also played a significant role in global trade and economics. In the 19th and 20th centuries, companies like United Fruit Company turned bananas into a global commodity. This history is a reminder of how deeply bananas are intertwined with culture, politics, and economics. Bananas aren't just a one-variety wonder. They're a diverse, delicious fruit with a rich history and an uncertain future. By exploring and preserving different varieties, we can keep this iconic fruit thriving for generations to come. Now it's your turn. Have you ever tried a banana variety other than the Cavendish? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're curious about other fruits with surprising histories, check out this video right here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fruity facts. See you next time.